How much money is a Chinese to buy a home electronic? So today I'll show you the price. These washing machines are around $200 to $300. This kind of washing machine is $1,500. Very expensive. These refrigerators are around $1,000 to $2,000. These refrigerators are around $700 to $800. The most cheap refrigerator is $300. Very, very cheap. These air conditioners are around $1,000 to $1,500. Very expensive. And the most cheap air conditioning is around $300 or $500. Very cheap. And you can see the range code price is $800. Very expensive.